Have you ever felt like personal finance is just this giant, confusing puzzle that you can't quite solve? Yeah, you are not alone. Today, we're going to simplify all of that. We are going to build a really powerful, super easy-to-use blueprint that puts you back in control of your money and your future. So let's jump right in.
This question. It can be so frustrating, right? The paycheck hits your account, you pay the bills, you live your life, and then boom, by the end of the month, you're just left scratching your head wondering, where did it all go? It feels like this endless cycle, but you know what? It's a cycle we are absolutely going to break, starting right now.
So, to really see how this works, let's walk through it with someone. Let's meet Emma. She's a recent grad, she's got her first real job, and a steady income is coming in. But even with all that going for her, she feels completely lost when it comes to her money.
Does this sound familiar to you? Emma feels like she's just stuck on a treadmill. She's working hard, she's paying her bills, but she's not seeing any real progress. There's no feeling of moving forward, just this constant low-level hum of financial stress and confusion.
And here is the big aha moment. The problem for Emma, and honestly for a lot of us, it's not always about spending too much. It's about spending without any kind of plan. We're just missing a simple, clear system to guide our decisions.
So the very first step is just a simple shift in how we think. Let's just agree to stop using the word budget. I mean, it just sounds awful, right? It feels restrictive and stressful, like you're on some kind of financial diet. Instead, let's call it a spending plan. See how that feels different? It's not about what you can't do. It's about telling your money exactly what you want it to do for you. Now that is empowering.
And the framework for this new spending plan is something called the 50-30-20 blueprint. It's a really simple rule of thumb, but it is so powerful. It can instantly bring a ton of clarity to your financial world and put you right back in the driver's seat. Okay, so here's how this blueprint works, and it's incredibly straightforward. You take your after-tax income, that's the actual money that hits your bank account, and you just divide it into three simple categories. 50% goes to your needs, 30% goes to your wants, and a really crucial 20% goes to something we call ESI, and that's all about your future. Let's break down what each of these mean.
All right, first up, the biggest piece of the pie, 50% of your income. This is the absolute foundation of your spending plan, and it's all for one specific purpose. And that is your needs. These are the non-negotiables, the things you absolutely have to pay to live and work. We're talking about your rent or mortgage, your essential groceries, your utility bills, getting to work. These are the core expenses you gotta cover month in and month out.
Okay, next up, we've got the 30% category. And you know what? This is where the fun comes in. This part of your income is intentionally set aside for
Your wants. These are all the things that make life better, even if they aren't strictly for survival. Think dining out, your hobbies, travel, that streaming subscription you love. This is so important. A good spending plan doesn't get rid of the fun. It actually makes intentional space for it, guilt-free.
And finally, we get to what might just be the most powerful, life-changing part of this whole blueprint, the last 20%. This slice is all about building your future through something called ESI. Now, ESI stands for debt repayment, savings, and investing. We group these three together because they all do the same thing. They build your long-term financial health. This is how you finally break that cycle. It's how you crush debt, build up a safety net, and actually grow your wealth. This 20%, this is your ticket to financial freedom.
Okay, so that's the theory. It sounds pretty good, right? But what does it actually look like when you put it into action? Let's go back to Emma and see how she uses this blueprint to finally take control of her money.
So the process is actually incredibly simple. Emma just figures out her monthly take-home pay and then applies the percentages. And just like that, instantly she knows exactly how much she has for her needs, how much she can spend on wants without feeling bad about it, and, this is the most important part, how much she's actively putting toward her future. All the guesswork is just gone. Emma's story just goes to show that this is totally possible. And now, the focus shifts to you. Because this isn't just Emma's plan, it's a blueprint that absolutely anyone can use to start building their own financial freedom. So what are your first steps? It is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, figure out your monthly take-home pay. Second, calculate what 50%, 30%, and 20% of that number is. And third, start assigning your money to those three jobs. And that's it. You've just created your very first spending plan. And please, remember the main message here.
This is not about restricting yourself. It's about being intentional. It's about you consciously deciding where your hard-earned money is going to go so that your spending actually aligns with your goals and your values instead of just disappearing.
So I'm going to leave you with this to think about. That 20%, it's not just a number on a spreadsheet. It is a seriously powerful tool. It's the seed that you plant today for your future. So, what are you going to build with it? A life completely free from debt? A down payment on a house? A comfortable retirement? The choice and the power to do it is now in your hands. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer.